to today's video. It was really great to hear how many of you made such a good start on yesterday's perimeter work, and don't forget that if there is anything you find tricky, then don't hesitate to contact us on the Year 5 email address, which you can find on the school website. Today we're looking at slightly trickier problems involving perimeter, so let's get into it. So we're continuing to look at calculating perimeter, and hopefully by the end of this presentation you'll be able to measure and calculate the perimeter of composite rectilinear shapes in centimetres and metres. And if you're not sure about that vocabulary, we looked at it in yesterday's presentation. What are the lengths of the unlabelled sides? So for the top one, if we were to look at the corresponding length on the bottom, we can see that that one is 60 centimetres, so the length on the top will also be 60 centimetres. And with the missing side on the right, again, we can see that there's a corresponding side on the left which is 20 centimetres, and so this one is also 20 centimetres. What is the perimeter of this shape? So if we add them all together, that is 300 centimetres or 3 metres. This shape has a perimeter of 24 centimetres. Can you draw a rectangle or another rectilinear shape with the same perimeter? So pause the video now and have a go at doing that. How did you get on? So there are many different answers. You could have had 8 centimetres on one side and 4 centimetres on another side, but as long as your perimeter was 24 centimetres, then you got it correct. Calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. So we've got 12 centimetres on the long side and 7 centimetres on the shorter side. Have a go at calculating that now. And let's have a look at the answer. So the perimeter is 38 centimetres. Well done if you got that one. How do you know the length of the unlabelled sides? Well, you know that because the longer side is 12 centimetres and the shorter side is 7 centimetres, and those are the same for both. Are these statements true or false? And explain how you know. So a rectangle with a base of 12 centimetres long always has a perimeter greater than a rectangle with a 3 centimetre base. So think about that one for a moment. This one is false. A rectangle with a base of 12 centimetres long and a width of 1 centimetre would have a perimeter of 26 centimetres. A rectangle with a 3 centimetre base and a width of 11 centimetres would have a perimeter of 28 centimetres, which is greater. And the second statement, a rectilinear shape made from 2 rectangles side by side always has a larger perimeter than each of the rectangles separately. So again, have a think about that one for a moment. And the answer is that it's true because the length will always increase and the width will either increase or stay the same. Look at these rectangles. Think about how you might be able to arrange these shapes to make 2 different rectilinear shapes. And there's lots of different ways you can do this, but would your 2 new shapes have the same perimeter? That's just one for you to think about there. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you for today's activities. It's a little bit of a shorter presentation today, but hopefully it's helped and given you a better idea of perimeter. So that's all for today's maths lesson. I hope you found that helpful. As always, answers will be down in the description box below, along with a link to find the work and the schools and my Twitter accounts as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!